Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan, and last year I did a restoration of a Husky Kommer walk-thru van. This week I have another one on the turntable, which is made by the Dutch diecast brand Efsi Holland. Efsi started out when the coal mines in the south of the Netherlands closed at the end of the 60s. The workshops where disabled miners could perform simple tasks were converted to social workshops for disabled people under the Fund for Social Institutions, or FSI. These workers made toy cars under the Matchbox brand. In 1971, Matchbox changed its name to Efsi, which is a phonetic pronunciation of FSI. In 1975, the Efsi factory moved to Heerlen close to Maastricht, where they produced diecast models of trucks, cars and buses with plastic parts. At the end of the 70s, Efsi stopped the production of cars and concentrated solely on trucks and buses. In 1996, Efsi was bought by a private company. The name was changed to Holland Auto and the company is now based in Weert. They still produce diecast trucks and buses, mostly for promotional purposes. As opposed to the Husky model, this Efsi Kommer walk-thru van has no opening features. But it came in a huge variety of liveries and was often used as a promotional model for different companies. The model on the turntable has a KLM livery, which is a Dutch airline company. It once had an orange beacon on the roof, but this is long gone, as well as a lot of the paint. The front bumper is bent and the KLM stickers are worn off. So let's get out the tools and give this model a factory reset. The front bumper was a little bent and I tried to straighten it. Unfortunately, this weakened the metal and it broke off. I managed to glue it back on, but it still was crooked, and if I wanted to straighten it, it would just break off again. Luckily, I have a parts model at hand to donate a new bottom plate. This Camera walk-thru van by Dutch diecast manufacturer Efsi was not in too good condition, with flaking paint, worn stickers and a missing roof beacon. I like these walk-thru vans and I wanted to give this one a proper restoration. And here's our walk-thru van in its new sky blue coat. The beacon has been replaced as best as I could, although it's a bit larger than the original. The windows have been polished, the wheels refreshed and the van received new KLM stickers. Still not happy with how the wheels turned out. My original plan was to replace them, but I discovered that the rear wheels I had sourced were too thick, so plan B was to reuse the original wheels and change the axles. Nevertheless, not a bad result. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.